Fallen in love. Fallen in love. Meaning: start feeling love towards someone. Example: she's fallen in love with her childhood friend, and they're always together now. Far cry from. Far cry from. Meaning: very different from. Example: the new restaurant is a far cry from the one we used to go to. This one has a modern vibe. Feeling blue. Feeling blue. Meaning: feeling depressed or disconnected. Example: I've been feeling a little blue lately, but I'm trying to stay positive. Feeling under the weather. Feeling under the weather. Meaning: feeling unwell. Example: I can't come to the meeting today, I'm feeling under the weather. Fever pitch. Fever pitch. Meaning: when a feeling is very intense and exciting. Example: the excitement in the crowd reached fever pitch when the band started playing. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Meaning: supply missing words or information. Example: I need your help to fill in the blanks on this form. First in, best dressed. First in, best dressed. Meaning: the opportunity is afforded to the first to arrive or present themselves. Example: the early bird gets the best seats, first in, best dressed. First out of the gate. First out of the gate. Meaning: being the first one to make a start at something. Example: she was first out of the gate with her new startup, and now it's booming. Fish out of water. Fish out of water. Meaning: feeling uncomfortable in unfamiliar surroundings. Example: he felt like a fish out of water at the new job, not knowing anyone. Foot in the door. Foot in the door. Meaning: a small but good start with the possibility of a bright future. Example: getting that internship was his foot in the door to a successful career. For the time being. For the time being. Meaning: an action or state will continue into the future but is temporary. Example: for the time being, I'll stay at my friend's place until I find an apartment. From now on. From now on. Meaning: from this time forward. Example: from now on, I'll be more careful about the deadlines. From time to time. From time to time. Meaning: occasionally or not very often. Example: I see him from time to time at local events, but we don't meet regularly. Full of beans. Full of beans. Meaning: excited or very energetic and lively. Example: the kids were full of beans after eating all the candy at the party. Full of the joys of spring. Full of the joys of spring. Meaning: very happy and full of energy. Example: she's been full of the joys of spring ever since she got the promotion.